All right, Deborah asked a question on YouTube about how to make a spot where students can enter some things like character, age, location, and event, and then the students can put the inputs in, and then the Excel would generate an automatic sentence from it that the students could go back and look at and maybe explore ways of editing it. I'm going to left justify these just because I like how it looks better. So let's make a spot for the sentence output. I'm going to be using concatenate. And I don't know much about building sentences apparently, but we're going to concatenate. We'll put in that first cell, so that's the character, so Jorge. And then we'll give it a space is, and then before 13, and then space with the quotation marks, years old. And then let's do period and Jorge again, so we'll have that input twice. Went to the zoo, so click that. And saw a space, lion, roar. Let's see what this looks like. I probably missed some spaces. I did. Let's go back in and put in the spaces in the sentences where it should be. There we go. Need a period at the end as well. So quotation mark, period. So there we have a sentence, bolded. That's a sentence they can go back and look at. Just in case we want a little something extra fun, make it so the students can't see the sentence until they're done typing. We'll do that whole sentence again, but first we'll put in an if is blank, and we'll check that last cell. If that last cell is blank, we'll just put a blank space here. That's true. The value of false is just the sentence constructor, so we'll paste that in with Control V. And now we have a sentence. If I delete that last one, that sentence is gone. So either version of that will work. And I'll put a description of that in the comments.